Today we're going to be checking out this smart coffee maker that works with HomeKit. This is a product that was sent over by a company. And since I'm a huge fan of coffee and also smart home tech, I was really excited to check this out. Let's go ahead and get started. This is what the device looks like. It's relatively small. It has the ability to make one cup, or if you want to make multiple cups, it can do that as well. Now in the box, we have some accessories here. We have a water filter and some grounds. We're going to be using our own grounds though, because this thing does have a built-in grinder. So we're going to be grinding up our own coffee beans and brewing a pot of coffee. The setup process was pretty straightforward. You just want to plug it in, turn it on, download the application. Once you have the application downloaded, go ahead and open it up. It will ask you to select your region, and then after that, you'll see a screen like this. Go ahead and tap the plus in the upper right corner and select Add Device. Here it should automatically detect the device. If for whatever reason it doesn't, there is a manual option where you can select the type of device that you're adding, and in this case, it would be a coffee maker. I did not have any issues though. It detected it right away. After you've added the device, you'll be able to control all of the settings from here. You can change the Wi-Fi settings, the brewing settings, and also the grinding settings. There are a ton of different options in here. As far as the actual brewing goes, you have options for the grind level. You can do a single serve, or you can do a carafe. Also, you can set a timer if you want your coffee to be ready at a certain time. You also have options for the strength of the coffee. You can make it stronger, or you can make it regular. And then you can also set the temperature. If we go over to the device settings, there are even more options here. You can choose how much water you want to use. You can select the water temperature and also the hot water temperature. In the app, you're also able to set a child lock. If you have children running around the house and you do and want them accidentally turning on the coffee maker, that is an option. Now let's go ahead and actually brew some coffee. To start the process, you just long press on the brew button, and then you can select the type of brew that you want. If you want to do a single serve, you place a mug on top, and then you can select the size of the mug. That way it knows how much coffee to actually brew. I'm going to be doing a full pot of coffee today, so I am going to select that option. Next, you'll see this little icon pop up here. This is the water tank. You just want to fill up the water tank. And once you have the water tank filled up, go ahead and insert the filter and then put the lid on top. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and hit start and it will begin brewing the coffee. There's also an option in the app to save your preferences. So if you like to drink iced coffee, you can select the size of the cup that you're reusing and also how many ice cubes you're reusing. The coffee maker will take all of that into account when it brews the coffee. If we go over to the home application, you can see that this coffee maker does show up here. You can control it through the app and also through Siri. So if you want to make a coffee, you can just ask Siri to do that. Overall, I think this is a really cool device. I'm a big fan of coffee, and I'm also a big fan of smart home technology. So being able to combine the two is really cool. This allows you to have full control over your coffee making process, from the type of grind to the strength of the coffee to how hot you want it. There are a ton of different options in here, and I think that's really cool. This device also works with Siri in the home application. So if you're a big fan of smart home technology and you use HomeKit in your house, this is definitely something that you should check out. If you're looking for a smart coffee maker that works with HomeKit, this is definitely a great option. It's easy to use, it's easy to set up, and it makes really good coffee. If you guys have any questions about this product, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I'll leave a link in the description. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.